morning. Hey you guys, it is morning time for me. When I upload this video, I don't know if it's going to be in the morning or not, but I'm gonna try to put it up early in the morning. I just wanted to show a quick get ready with me. Well, it ain't even gonna be quick because I got time today. So I'm switching wigs. This is the curly wig that I had on for my last video, but I am switching over to this baddie right here. She's 28 inches of raw Indian hair. You have seen her before if you watch my videos. Speaking of, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Kanisha. Hit that subscribe button below to see more of my videos. Hit that like button and comment below. Also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified the next time I do a video. So we're gonna get right into it. I flat ironed her. I'll show just a small clip of me flat ironing this hair. I do not recommend flat ironing hair that has texture to it because it takes forever and it seems like it curls back up easy, and I'm a hairstylist and I still be struggling with it. So you'll see me doing a I'm gonna show me installing this unit and actually a makeup look also, so keep watching. Okay you guys, this is my braid down. Don't do my edges, I'm still working on growing them back from all of the trauma I've done to them over the years. So I am going to actually do a glueless, or like, yeah, pretty much glueless install. It's a closure unit, so I'm going to use my Got To Be spray and the Gorilla Snot glue. And what I do is I put a little bit of Gorilla Snot on my hand and spray a little bit of the Got To Be glue spray, and then I'll kind of mix it all together to get all of it, all of the spray mixed into the gel. So it looks like that before I apply it. And so I just take it, I'm doing the center part, so I'm just going to take it and put it right where my edges are. Right, I put it like a little bit on the skin too, because that's kind of what the lace is going to be laying on. I do try to slide my units as close as I can to my hairline. I don't like feeling like my wig is sitting on my forehead. One, to me it gives me headaches and I just can't. So then I'm gonna spray a little bit of Got To Be on the skin too. Let's get my fan. I don't really worry about the edges because when I do the closure, I am going to leave out, I don't really touch my edges. And I didn't bring up my dryer, my blow dryer today, but I usually use my blow dryer too. But I'm going to show you how you can do it without the blow dryer if you don't have access to a blow dryer, because you don't always have access to a blow dryer. So what I'm going to do is I take this part of the lace and I try to sit it exactly where it's going to be at when I first put it on. So bring this up some. So I have a widow's peak, and lately I have been shaving it a little bit. I don't usually always do, but with this center part, it's kind of weird when you have a widow's peak to do a center part wig. I just feel like it's a struggle. So I'm just taking the edge of this comb and pushing it. And then I'm gonna take some Got To Be spray and like spray it like right on where the hairline is. Like just do small sprays. And try to get the drips, because if you don't, it's gonna be sticky right there. But you can clean it up later. I usually do the same. When I set my wig, I set whatever little baby hair I'm gonna leave out. So I do the same little baby hair. Get the back of this comb because this isn't going in. Y'all know, like after you have worn a wig for a while, I might have did this too far back. Let's take it up just a little bit. There we go. After you've worn the wig for a while, the lace starts like curling up. I try to cut that off. I try to cut it as much as I can. I just broke my fan, but whatever. These fans aren't really made of anything. Look, just look. Like, I have some more. I have another one. I got two more actually. I got this one at Cosmel Mexico, so I'm gonna use this one. But y'all, like, that's basically it. I do put a scarf on to like make that lace go down even more. I'm gonna try to focus it in. There it goes. So this is what it looks like without a blow dryer. It does look better with a blow dryer. It really does, because you can, I don't know, it seems like it melts better with the blow dryer. But let me find my scarf because I don't have it right here right now. And I'm just gonna show you guys real quick how I put my scarf on. So I put my hair in a ponytail. Keep your flat irons on if you're doing straight hair, because of course it gets dented from the ponytail. So I like to use the stretchy scarf like this. I just like the material of it, and since I'm doing my makeup, I'm gonna bring it up a little bit, and bam, don't tie it too tight because you don't want that like scarf crease on your face. And that's it. Let's get into the okay, today I'm going to be doing a look with the ABH Norvina Collection. This is the volume 1. I have not got the volume 2 and volume 3 yet, but these are the colors. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks. I got this from off the website, and I'm going to find whatever color I feel like works best. But first, let me get into this fruit smoothie that I was supposed to have been drunk this morning. So I'll come back. We'll start my brows. Okay, so you guys, I did my eyebrows off camera. I went in with the color C4 out of the Norvina Collection, the #1 collection palette, as the first color, and then I blended that out, and then I went in on top of that with the #1 color from NYX Tropic Pallete, and then I went in with E3 after that. So I cut my crease, and then after I cut my crease, I went in with C3 and then A1 out of the Norvina palette. So I'm gonna just let the music play. Okay, I forgot. I went in and added the D5, which is the black color in the Norvina palette also, and then blended that out and went back through the colors that I used just to make it more vibrant Up underneath, I used this purple pencil that I got by L'Oreal from the drugstore, and then I went in with D5 and then C4. Now I'm just going in and using my Lancome foundation and blended that out with the Beauty Blender. And then I'm gonna go in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and the Cafe Concealer by Fit Me foundation, and I'm gonna blend that out with my Beauty Blender. Okay, I went in and set my concealer with the color 30 by Maybelline Fit Me, which I always use. And then I went in with the color 360 by Maybelline Fit Me in the pressed powder to just warm up my face. And I went in with some contour with the color 365 in the Fit Me pressed powder.
Perfect.
For my lips, I went in with the lip pencil Cocoa by NYX. It's either by NYX or L'Oreal. I cannot remember. Do not do me. And then I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills color Spicy. And then I went over that with Neon Coral. And I realized like it was too red for the pink look. So then I went over with the Carity lippy but called Fade Out, and then I went over with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible lip gloss and the color 505, which is Modern Mauve. A lot on the lips, too much. Okay, you guys, this is the final look and I am so happy about it. I really like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Like if you like the look or if you don't. If you don't, let me know too, honey. So, oh, don't you hate when your wig itch? So this is the look for today. I am going to be uploading a lot more makeup looks because I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes that I have not touched, honey, and I need to get into them and see what I can create out of them. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. I'm trying to get my subscribers up to 3,000 by the end of the month. It is October the 1st, so we got 30 days. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys. Bye.